What came up as a vision for us to improve our response time, we knew that we had to do something. It all started primarily with one fire station. It was a very large apparatus, and the vehicle itself literally had to pull into the first lane of traffic on a state highway in order for the driver to visually see beyond that vehicle or that building there. We were to the point we were actually ready to reroute our apparatus on a different path to get to that roadway, because we just knew it wasn't a matter of if, it's just a matter of when this incident was going to happen. And so that began this thought of how can we improve this. In order for this project to work, we had to get traffic engineering involved in it. And so we met with Dave Savage, talked to him. Without traffic engineering support, there's no way this project ever would have got out of just an idea. He welcomed the idea, and off we went. Funding was obviously going to be a big concern of ours, because we knew a project like this was going to be pretty monumental, and we really wasn't sure what direction to go. Ended up talking to our NPO's office, and they said, well, they actually run a program for the federal highway. And so we introduced it to them, and they said, look, fill out the application. So we put together what we thought was a fair budget, made our presentation, we applied for it, and we were awarded the money to do the project.
There's about 265 intersections in the city county, including the state, county, and the city. And I think that 250 of them were included in the project, and something like 40 vehicles and 12 houses.
And then we started a very long road of bringing in the products, seeing what was available out there, reaching out to other fire departments, asking what they were using. And once we started finding out what the products were out there and what each one had, what their limitations were, we had laid out all of our bullet points, what we felt it must meet this, and this, how the system worked, whether or not there was confirmations,
in-cab notification, the ability to backhaul the communications for our intersections, immediate reports of fire preempts, flashes, power fails.
We explained to them the system has to work so that we're just asking permission to do it. We selected Applied Information, glance preemption. It was a lengthy process, but well worth the effort. With traffic engineering and with Traffic Control Corps, they really worked seamlessly together to make this product work. It was pretty spectacular to watch this truck roll out of the station, and as they're heading towards that intersection to the north, watching that light turn green and watching that truck roll out.
When I learned that this project was going to impact the travel times, arrival times so significantly that it might change the insurance classification for the city, and my homeowner's insurance might go down. When I started thinking about the impact that could have on the hundreds of thousands of people that live in this metropolitan area, it felt like a really significant thing.
Dave Savage was a tremendous asset to me. We really struck a very good friendship, and I think both of us can look back on our career and really chalk this up as one of our highlights of something that we have accomplished throughout our careers, and something that I'm extremely proud of. As we move forward, we will be able to continue to add this to all the other intersections as the city does grow. And it's been a great working relationship with everybody, with the city traffic engineering, and then TCC and Applied Information. It has worked so well. I couldn't be more pleased.